Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is string beans appetizer the Moroccan way. It's an easy recipe, delicious and nutritious. You can serve it with fish, chicken, lamb, any kind of meat you have. Stay with me to see all the steps. Here on my pot I put water, some salt and the string beans. You can use the fresh string beans or the frozen ones. You boil them in a salted water until it's done or al dente, however you like it, only for a few minutes. After my string beans done, I transfer them to another pot. I add some olive oil. I always prefer to cook with olive oil. And I will add the spices. Is very simple. I will add some garlic or garlic paste or garlic powder, any kind of garlic you have, some salt, and be careful with salt because we boil the string beans in salted water. It's always good to add it in the end if you need it. And the rest of the spices is black pepper and some chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like it a little bit spicy. It's only salt, pepper, chili powder or cayenne pepper, some garlic and olive oil. After we mix everything together and leave it a few minutes to all the spices get into the string beans, in the end we add the parsley, fresh chopped parsley, and lemon, preserved lemon. If you don't have the preserved lemon pieces, you can add a little bit of lemon juice to it. It will give it a nice flavor too. And that's it. That's all the spices that we need for our string beans. You need only a few minutes to get all the spices in the string beans, and our appetizer it's ready. Now that's the final dish, and that's the presentation. I garnish it with a little bit of parsley and some preserved lemon, and this is optional. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how did you like this recipe, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe, and enjoy.